YouTube, we're going to do a song called Headrush. Love the Headrush, love the Headrush. Yeah, it's by Art Deco. Starts C, A, E. Song's in E. That repeats. C, and then before it goes into the verse, it just quickly goes to D for a little punch. Then it goes to E for the verse. Let's unwind in the time to do. They're not strumming the guitar, they're just kind of punching it and letting it ring and die off. The bass and the drums are playing. Right after the verse, which is just the E, goes to a pre-chorus. The pre-chorus starts on E. So wild, so free, something where I wanna be. E, G, C, A. E, G, C, A. I think it repeats twice, and then it goes to a variation. E, so wild, so free. Goes to a B flat. Take me back where I wanna be. Then to B. Right? If you don't play bar chords, you can play the B flat by playing an A chord. But just play strings 4, 3, and 2. And move it up to the 3rd fret. That's a B flat. Then one more step at the 4th fret. That's a B. And then, so after that second time, where the pre-chorus finishes, then it goes into C, C, A. Love the Headrush. Into another verse. And that's basically the whole song, except for the guitar solo. The guitar solo is played right out of here, 6, 7, 9 on the D, 6, 7, 9 on the G. I think it's either B or E. I'm not sure, but it's the key I'm talking about. I mean, for the scale, I mean. But anyways, it's mostly on the 7 and a. Okay, right up here. And the chords being played are D, A, E. That repeats. A, E. It goes back to D. But after the D, what we're going to do is we're going to slide up 2 frets. I'm going to keep the D shape. We're not going to play it though. We're just going to slide up 2 frets. That's an E, but you're going to play it up here. So you get a rising kind of in the tone. And then it goes to B. So the second part of the guitar solo is D, E, B, 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 B. That repeats. into the verse or the chorus, whichever. Um, so all together, the guitar solo is D, A, E. It goes D, All right, that's Headrush by Art Deco. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.